a few ideas for troubleshooting your stitches. Ever end up with a thread nest? Quite often it's because you start stitching with the presser foot in the up position. Make sure your presser foot is down. Another common problem is threading the machine incorrectly. Make sure your needle is in the up position, or when you're running the thread through all of the steps, it will miss this one right here. Do you ever have issues with the thread on the top floating or the bobbin thread not working right on your stitches? Quite often it's a tension issue. The tension dial can go from high to low, and it depends on the thickness of your fabric where you want this to go. This is what it would look like if your tension was too low. All right, this is the highest tension. Another common issue is hearing a click in the bobbin area. Check that your bobbin was put in place correctly. Take it out, place it back, make sure it's nice and flat, and rethread it. And what about if you're stitching and you end up with a pile of thread inside your machine, or your fabric gets stuck in the needle plate? This is what you do. Turn the machine off, remove the presser foot, unscrew both of these screws, remove the bobbin, and remove the needle plate. Check through here for loose threads. Also, if you've been sewing something like fleece or faux fur, you can clean this out with a brush. To replace this, snap it back in place, reinsert both of these screws, make sure you tighten them, put your bobbin back in, making sure it's nice and flat, rethread, snap on the cover, put your foot back in place, start the machine, and try a couple of stitches. And what if the machine just won't sew? One option is to turn it off, remove the thread, take out the bobbin, and start from scratch. Place your bobbin in place, making sure that it's nice and straight, rethread it, rethread the entire machine, again, making sure your needle is in the up position. Pull your bobbin thread up. Turn the machine back on and try doing a few stitches very slowly.